Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Brendan here, aka Brenbo, bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to ceramic coat my wheels just because it's winter and there's not really much to do. So it's kind of like prep for the spring. We have about a month to go until I get to drive this car again. So I'm really excited about that. But not much content to show you guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys the little things I do. So this is the ceramic coating that I got. It's from Amazon. It was only like 20 bucks, but to me it's not a big deal because the wheels are not as important as paint, and it's still ceramic coating. It had like 2,000 reviews, like 5 stars, so I'm deciding to go with this, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, ceramic coating is ceramic coating. A lot of it's in branding, so give it a try. A lot of people complain about Hellcat brakes because they create a lot of brake dust, but GTR brakes are just as bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ceramic these, just because when you ceramic wheels, the brake dust doesn't stick to the wheel as much. They look cleaner for longer, and then when you do clean them, they clean a lot easier. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you guys. So as you would assume, I'm just gonna jack up the car wheel by wheel, ceramic each one, and then move on to the next one. So something I just thought about and I'm gonna do also is ceramic coat the calipers just so they stay nice and look nice. But peep those bags, they just look so nice. So something I did actually is I already did the face of the wheel, but what I really wanna do is the barrel of the wheel, just because this collects a lot of dirt. And over time you can tell that people don't take care of the barrel, and there's a huge discoloration. So I really wanna clean this up and make it look nice. So I'm just gonna clean up the caliper with some detail spray, and then same with the wheel, and then apply the ceramic. So the wheel's super clean, you can eat off of it, just clean it with the Adams detail spray. So now what I'm gonna do is I cut off a piece of this cloth that came with the kit. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but this is what I'm doing. I cut it off. This is the pad that it comes with. I'm going to lay this cloth on the pad and then put a couple drops of ceramic on here, and then just do a back and forth motion on the wheel. You wait about 5 minutes or so, and then you wipe it off and you're good to go. But you do want to let it sit and dry for about 24 hours. So I'm going to put it back on the car, but obviously not drive it or anything like that. So I'm going to do that process with all 4 wheels. This does take a little bit, but I promise you it's worth the process. One reason I say to put a couple of drops on the pad is you don't want to put too much ceramic on here because it kind of dries like a clear coat. So if you cake it with too much ceramic, it can dry uneven and actually look worse. So you want to make sure you just put an even amount on and you lay it very even so it doesn't dry uneven, because you will see that in the sunlight. And now for the wipe down, this doesn't take very long. Once again, just do some steady motions while wiping it off because it will remain wet, I guess you could say. So you're not like making it dry by drying it off. So just make sure when you dry it off that it's still sweeping, steady motions, not too much pressure, and you'll be good. So both sides are now officially done. You probably cannot tell on camera, which is fine. Just in sunlight, it looks a whole lot better. It's just more for the brake dust repelling. Kind of like if you wax your car, you put water on it, the water will repel and kind of bead off. So it's kind of the same concept, but with brake dust. And brake dust can collect on your wheel very fast, especially with these brakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video of me just showing you guys what I do to prep the car for the spring. Just something very small, but maybe you learned something from this. I'm not sure. Hope you did. But leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment what you guys would like to see me do next to the GTR to prep it maybe. Or if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. Hit the subscribe button if you like the GTR and what I'm doing with it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.